breaking news. Fall activities happening just now. Police cars are not in the area yet. A car ran over 10 people today. 2 suspects. One had a firearm, shot 12 people. Number 3. One person is sitting buildings on fire. 3. They managed to make a fake tornado jail. More news coming up. 2 suspects. One of the suspects is daring you Shannon Charlotte. And another suspect, it is... Let's see if we can find the photo of him. This is another suspect. 2 suspects. Innocent people have been injured. Sounds like as well seeing 2, both in custody right now by police, SWAT teams, and military.